Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a bot to your servers on Discord, for example, to use these bots to help you moderate or manage your Discord servers. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Discord, access your server. Let me go with this one here. And next click into your server name and access your server settings. After that, click into app directory here under apps. And what you want to do, guys, is use the library or directory of Discord, for example, to navigate through it and to find the you would like to, the bot you would like to use. Like, for example, let's say a moderation bot. Simply use the search bar at the top and let me find one. That one here, for example, press enter. And after that, click into the given bot here in that list. Read through the about section if you like, the overview, and if you'd like to install it and add it to your server, click into add app here to the right. After that, go through that customization. So let me go with that option here, add to server. And after that, select your server from that list. So let me go with this one. Now that customization menu or process may vary, of course, depending on the bot or application type. In this case here, the customization looks like that. So click into continue here. After that, authorize the given application and give it the permission to perform these actions here. If you'd like, for example, the bot to help you manage or moderate your server better, click into authorize. And last but not least, let me just wait for it. And there you go. After that, you will be redirected to your server by clicking into this button. And there you go, you will see a welcome message by that bot here. So guys, that's basically it. That's how it works. You may, for example, use that bot, for example, by communicating with it by entering messages or commands here so that the given moderation bot performs the given action, like for example, removing a member or mute someone in your server, create a welcome message, and so on and so forth, guys. So it may depend on the type of bot you are using for your Discord server, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.